Okay, so hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 8th of December for those who are in complete no contact, no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. The rules can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. And if it's not resonating, it's not your story, just skip the video. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots. So let's start, Cancer. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the King of Swords, the Five of Cups and the Three of Cups. Wow. Someone is feeling they should pretend that they are the happiest person alive on earth because they don't want to show you how much pain they are experiencing right now because of whatever happened between you guys. They are living in some kind of guilt or regret and they're continuously pretending to be okay, to be fine, to be happy in their life. Even if they're going through the worst phase of their life, they don't want to show you even an ounce of emotion, even an ounce of pain that they're experiencing right now at this present moment. So they feel like they should keep on pretending that they're very happy even if they are dying from inside. So they feel like they should just be in a very practical, very logical mode, and they should hide this pain and put on this mask of, see how happy my life is, how many friends I have, how many family members I have, I am partying, I'm doing fine, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Wow. Anjali, basically this person is feeling they should not even tell it to themselves that they are in some kind of regret or guilt or pain about whatever happened between you guys. Cool. This connection is not the only reason that they're having emotional pain right now. A lot of factors are adding up, but they feel like they should not even think about it. 0%. They should suppress it as much as they can. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Yeah, Strength card, Six of Pentacles, Four of Wands. See, deep down, their intention is to have equal give and take of energy in the situation and stabilize the connection between you and them. On the surface level, this person wants to hold back as much as they can from this energy of doing or wanting to do anything about the situation. It's like on a deeper level, I'm doing to connect with you, but when you're going to talk to me, I'm going to be like, who the hell are you? I don't even think about you, I don't even care about you, just get out or something. This is what they want to do. They want to sort it out with you so that you guys can have a stable future with or without each other. But right now they don't want to take any kind of action. They want to hold back. They want to use all the courage and the strength of the universe to not to connect with you, not to say or do anything in this direction. Okay. They're not in touch with their heart. They're not in touch with their emotions at all. They don't know what they're doing. It's kind of unhealthy, but right now they just want to go in this cycle only, this type kind of cycle only. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 8th of December. Okay. See, no matter what you are going to do or say to this person, right now they are not in the right mindset to even receive your message or communication. So they are waiting. They are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me come out of this darkness that I have that I am still coming out of. Let me wait for the right time when I will be able to connect with Cancer at some point of time. Maybe I will just be friends with the Cancer. They're not planning to come back around for marriage or commitment or something. According to them, they are going to wait for the right time and they will be able to connect with you, or they will be able to allow you to connect with them. As of now, they are not in this energy or mindset of connecting with you. Even if you are going to connect with them, they are not going to respond beautifully or positively to that in a beautiful way. It's like they're going through their own inner struggle, and on inner journey of what they should do and what they should not do in their life. So I don't see this person in a very good mindset or energy of connecting or reconnecting with you whatsoever at this point of time. Yeah, cool. Let's see the guidance for you. Ace of Swords. Be very, very mentally clear about the situation. See the situation for what it is. See this person for who they are instead of living in any kind of bubble or illusion or delusion, honey. Just try to understand what lesson, what message you are getting out of this situation, and never forget about that. Mental clarity, truthfulness, honesty about this whole situation is highly, highly recommended from your side. I mean, acknowledge that. Wow. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.